Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about safety sensors. There are two little things, but they do a lot. What they do, they keep in your door from hitting anything, you, your car, your kids, your dog. They're going to sit on both sides of the door, one on that side and one on the other side. And if anything passes through them, it's going to push the door right back up. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take off this little piece that is very annoying to cut off to separate them both. I'm going to put them on the brackets. The brackets, I'm going to sit here on the door. What I usually like to do, because I want the sensors to be aligned, I'm going to use this bracket, okay? And I'm either going to put it on top or on the side, okay? This bracket, the way it sits, you have those clamps. Those clamps go inside and you just push it in. Okay, sensor is going to sit like that. That's the way the sensor is going to sit. Basically what it does is you have this bolt goes in here just like that, and then it sits on this little hole, this bracket, and then we're going to secure it with a nut. Guys, so we're all set. Sensors are in place. We have an orange light. We also have another one over here with a green light. What the orange light does is transmit, the green light receives. So if you ever come to your garage and for some reason you cannot close the door, always check your sensors. That's the first thing you should do before you call in someone over. Save yourself some money. That's callback number one that I get. Now, cable is running along the wall through the middle. There's a very high ceiling over here, so I didn't want it to run the cable through the high ceiling. So what I did, it's a neat trick, something that you can do yourself. I'll go up on the ladder and I'll show you. So the cable is running on the rail. Okay, so what I did is a zip-lock at the end and there's a zip-lock at the beginning right over here. Okay, don't put anything in the middle because you don't want anything to interfere with the door coming up and down. Okay, and it is connected to our opener. That's it, guys. The sensors are all set. The door is all set. We have a brand new LiftMaster opener. I'm Tomer from Reliable Garage Doors. Thank you.